सो प्रभा जी, आप जो है मतलब एक्चुअली आप रोल मॉडल हैं हमारे राना के लिए, क्योंकि आप पहली वुमेन प्रेसिडेंट थी, और उसके बाद जो है बहुत लोग नहीं आए प्रेसिडेंट के लिए, राना प्रेसिडेंट के लिए, और आपने उस टाइम क्या परेशानियां देखी, और आप कैसे मोटिवेट करेंगी अभी न्यू जनरेशन को कि दे टेक अप द पोजीशन, like what you went through and how it has changed the environment and everything, and how you will motivate them.
एक मिनट प्रभा जी, मैं सबसे पहले तो आपको नमस्ते करना चाहती हूँ। पूनम जी है ना, आपने पूछा क्वेश्चन। सबसे पहली बात मैंने जो नोटिस की कि इन्होंने अपने बारे में शायद ये नहीं बताया कि ये प्रेसिडेंट रह चुकी हैं, शायद अपनी इंट्रोडक्शन में नहीं बताया था ना।
I want to be a little modest today.
इसीलिए यही मैं कह रही हूँ, यही मैं कहना चाहती हूँ कि सबसे पहले तो हमें इनसे ये सीखना चाहिए। इतनी बड़ी चीज इन्होंने की कि मैंने बोला इंट्रोडक्शन के लिए, इन्होंने सिंपल इंट्रोडक्शन दिया। पहली चीज तो हम यही सीख लें कि प्रेसिडेंट बनने के लिए मॉडेस्ट होना जरूरी है।
यस,
अब आप बोलिए प्रभा जी, सॉरी इंटरप्शन के लिए।
मॉडेस्ट होना चाहिए, और फिर एक मतलब अपनी बिरादरी में अगर कुछ करना है, then you cannot go half-heartedly. You have to be there 100%. Number one. Number two, be a leader, not the follower. Try to be a leader. As a woman, we do so many things. We are born leader. I'm a born leader, to be honest with you. My kids are not listening. Yeah. So, leader, and try to bring some energy to the association. Try to be friends with a lot of people. मैं जितने लोगों से मैं राना में मिली हूँ, everybody they are wonderful. Husband and बच्चे और मतलब wives, उनके parents, grandparents. I'm very, very affectionate to everyone. And so वही quality होनी चाहिए. You have to be self confidence एक होना चाहिए कि ठीक है भैया, ठीक से बोल भी नहीं पा रहे, but that's okay. I'll join and I'll learn. Everybody learns from their experience, So yeah, और थोड़ा vocal होना चाहिए. Being a Rajput, I don't know. I'm pretty much vocal, so मुझे नेतागिरी करने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं हुई.
नहीं प्रभादी, we need leader like you. You are role model for us.
Oh, thank you. अरे बुलबुल जी से पूछिए, बुलबुल जी बैठी हैं चुपचाप।
नहीं मेरी बुलबुल बने, ये हम लोग के लिए सौभाग्य की बात है कि आप लोगों ने अपना प्रेशियस टाइम, बुलबुल दी भी काफी बिजी रहती हैं, आज सुबह मैं कॉल की और देखिए आ गई। आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ माई टीम एंड आप
राइट सो सो वही है, मतलब if you want to do something, you have to jump in wholeheartedly. तभी होता है, half-heartedly नहीं होता फिर. And you have to be strong.
प्रभा जी, एक क्वेश्चन मेरा है कि आपको सबसे मतलब चैलेंजिंग क्या लगा उस पीरियड में जब आप प्रेसिडेंट थी?
Oh, to be honest, मुझे चैलेंजिंग कुछ भी नहीं लगा, because I was very confident. I knew that I can speak and I can relate, and from the children to the, as I said, बच्चों से लेके adult लोगों से लेके adult के parents से हैं, उनसे मैं I was very comfortable. I'm very comfortable with my skin, very, very comfortable. So वो somehow it came easy to me.
इसी बात पे मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहती हूँ आपसे प्रभा जी.
Thank you.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay. So basically एक क्वेश्चन है, जैसे कि हम लोग ऑफिस में काम करते हैं, right? And I think that's kind of the same when you're leading, when you're in the team. You are a minority, right? Like being like in my group, if I say I'm a minority, being a female and a male number of male people. तो जब आप president बनी, I'm sure you were the only like I don't know. I'm sure you were the minority, right? So did you face challenges कि कभी you have a different opinion about certain things, but kind of the males are having a different sort of opinion, but you want to put your point. So did you have some of those issues during your time, and how did you overcome them?
Yeah. But times were different though, to be honest with you. The times were different. जब हमारे समय पे ज्यादा कुछ हमारे इशू था नहीं. We all worked together, friendly, in a very funny manner. हाँ, कोई challenge नहीं था कि I mean, there was no competition as such. So जब मैं जब बनी थी तो the whole Rana Biradari was very excited, and they supported me from very beginning to the अभी भी. So they all supported me very much. So
मैं ऐड करना चाहूंगी, सपोर्टेड नहीं, सब डरते हैं प्रभा जी से.
हाँ, ये बात है. मैं सबको डांट भी लगाती हूँ.
So that is something you need to tell us.
डांट भी लगाती हूँ तो
चाची मेरी डरो मत, basically. जहाँ पे you need to, when you need to put your foot down, just put it down. Basically, that should be it.
Yeah, if you believe in something right, then you put your foot down. You don't have to be swayed by somebody else. You just be who you are, and you conviction होना चाहिए जिसके लिए आप लड़ रहे हो, चाहे तुम्हारा जो इशू है. तो वो तो क्लैरिटी होनी चाहिए दिमाग में कि मैं क्या कह रही हूँ, मुझे क्या करना है.
Prabhaji, I'll wait for my turn, but I have a question for you too, based on the experience I had. So I'll wait for my turn, and then I will share the experience I had with Rana. NEC. Yeah.
Prabhaji, one quick question.
और ये भी चीज बता रही हूँ, जब हमारे समय में राना इतना बड़ा नहीं था, अभी तो बहुत बड़ा हो गया ना. हमारे समय में न्यू जर्सी चैप्टर था, वॉशिंगटन डीसी चैप्टर था, एंड बेसिकली दैट्स व्हेयर वी वर. पेंसिल्वेनिया का छोटा सा चैप्टर था. अब तो इतना बड़ा हो गया ना, सो बड़े होने से कॉन्फ्लिक्ट और ये सब इशू तो होंगे. देन you have to work harder, actually. To be honest with you, you have to work harder because you have grown so much.
So Prabhaji,
but if you believe in something, put your foot down. Put your foot down, and association के लिए भी है ना कि you have to थोड़ा सा broad होना चाहिए vision कि सब लोग उसमें आए, है ना. तो you cannot be too selfish.
I think when you believe in something, is what I'm understanding from you, is when you believe in something, don't think about what gender you belong to. Then you should just believe in that thing and convey your message how you are supposed to be. So move ahead with that. So that's
absolutely, that's what I'm saying. You have to be comfortable in your skin. You have to be very comfortable in your skin. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
तो है.
I think Bulbul ji wanted to ask you a question. Go ahead, please.
So first of all, namaste Prabhaji, and everyone. Acha, आप अपना introduction दिया. You didn't tell us what you do professionally, because I think as women we need to start to share what we do.
Yeah. Professionally, I was a real estate agent for quite some time, but at the present time, I'm not participating actively. I'm managing my own portfolio. हमारे कुछ rental properties हैं New Jersey में काफी सारे, so we are just managing 100%. So business, when you have a business, you are 24/7 working, So
that's what I think is important to hear, that you have not only just that it's in such an important role of being the president, but you run your own business. And I think as women, we don't always take credit for all of the different things that we do. If you ask a man what he does, he'll tell you his job. And most of us, and I'm a very proud mother, not a grandmother yet, got a ways to go, but we don't always talk about what we do. We always talk about what everybody around us does. So I really, really appreciate, because I know your background, I know your history in real estate, and I know it takes a lot of ability to multitask to run a portfolio and just have investment properties. So that's the kind of, I think it's that all of the women on this call, but our kids need to see and hear.
Yes.
And I know your husband has always been very, very supportive. He's been part of Rana. I always think that you guys have the patience of a saint. So if any of you will share your Rana experiences, I have to tell you, it's like herding cats sometimes, trying to get everybody to get in line. It's an interesting dynamic there. Good to see you, Prabha.
Right. Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Bulbul. Nice to see you too. Yeah, you have to be confident. You have to learn as you go, and learning doesn't stop. I mean, everything you do, you learn, and have have a good in you, and make sure whatever you're doing is good for everybody.
Cool. Yeah.